A woman once sneezed non-stop for 978 days, shattering all records and baffling doctors everywhere. That's nearly 3 years where her life was interrupted by up to 20 sneezes a minute, every single day. Her name was Donna Griffiths, and her first sneeze started in January 1981, quickly becoming a relentless storm she couldn't escape. No one could figure out what triggered it. There was no allergy, no cold, nothing doctors could pinpoint. Specialists from around the world tried to help, but nothing worked. She sneezed in her sleep, at meals, in class, and even during conversations, making normal life nearly impossible. Donna's case became a medical marvel, drawing global attention and endless curiosity. To this day, her mysterious sneezing spree stands as one of the most bizarre and unexplained medical records in history.